Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all you will be enjoying my videos. Today in this video we will unleash your creativity with easy and fun paper craft ideas. In this video we will explore a variety of DIY projects that will inspire you to create a stunning art and craft using just paper. From origami to paper cutting, these ideas will allow you to express your artistic side and make beautiful creations for various occasions. One of the most popular paper craft techniques is origami, the art of folding paper into intricate shapes and designs. With a few folds and creases, you can transform a simple piece of paper into a beautiful flower, a cute animal, or even a decorative box. Origami is not only a fun and relaxing activity but it allows you to create unique decorations, creating cards, and even gifts. Explore different origami patterns and let your imagination soar as you fold your way to stunning paper masterpieces. If you enjoy working with scissors and paper cutting or paper quilling might be the perfect craft for you. Paper cutting involves intricate designs that are carefully cut out of paper, creating delicate and stunning patterns. You can use these paper cutouts to create stunning cards, wall art, or even decorate gift boxes. On the other hand, paper quilling involves rolling and shaping strips of paper to create intricate and decorative designs. From flowers to geometric patterns, paper quilling offers endless possibilities for creating unique and eye-catching crafts. For those who enjoy working with colors, paper crafts offer various opportunities for painting and coloring. You can create stunning paper match circle patterns, paint them with vibrant colors, or even create unique bookmarks and paint them with watercolors or markers. For those who enjoy working with cards, paper cards offer various opportunities for painting and coloring. You can create stunning paper in various vibrant colors to create bookmarks. Another exciting paper craft idea is creating three-dimensional paper art. By cutting, folding, and gluing paper, you can create mesmerizing sculptures, paper cards, or even paper lanterns. Let your imagination run wild as you explore different techniques and create paper crafts that come to life in a three-dimensional form. When it comes to paper craft, the choice of paper is crucial. Explore different types of paper such as colored paper, patterned paper, or even handmade paper to add texture and visual interest to your creations. Don't be afraid to mix and match your papers to create unique and personalized crafts. Papercraft is a versatile and accessible hobby that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, there are always something new to learn and create. Paper crafts offer endless possibilities for creativity, self-expression, and relaxation. DIY paper craft ideas are a fantastic way to explore your artistic side and create beautiful and unique creations. For origami to paper cutting, painting to three-dimensional sculptures, the world of papercraft is full of opportunities to let your creativity shine. So grab some paper, scissors, and glue, and let's dive into the wonderful world of DIY papercraft, where imagination knows no limit and art comes to life with the touch of paper.